a crucial skill that every couple needs to learn. And I think the skill that breaks apart more relationships than anything else is the capacity to repair. Whether you're talking about repairing a fight that happened last week or a betrayal that happened a year ago that's still sticking, the capacity to repair is incredibly important. I go into this a lot in the virtual workshop, and there's a lot of practices and discussions about how to best repair. But let me break it down here in a simple way. The way to create repair is to acknowledge how what you did impacted them. So if you want to repair with your partner, you really need to put yourself in their shoes and take a good hard look at how your withholding or how your reactivity or how your judgment or how your criticism or whatever it is that you did that's still deeply hurting them, how did it impact them? Did they lose sleep? Did they feel shitty about themselves? Did it impact them as a parent? Did it impact their work? Were they unable to really work, right? Did they, were they afraid? What did it cause? And that's the area where I think a lot of people fall short, is they'll say, hey, I'm sorry for da 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 da, but they won't go into the place of really feeling the empathy and the impact that their behavior had on another. So deep repair almost always includes some form of a very powerful exploration of impact, okay? The other thing that's really important about repair is that you give them the capacity and the space to share whatever else is there, right? To share, like, that fucking hurt me, that broke my heart, that killed me, that crushed me. And rather than getting defensive, be a yes. Be a yes to them. You want them to be able to get it out, right? You want them to be able to move past it. And oftentimes, beyond an apology or beyond a recognition of the impact, they literally need to get it out. They need to growl at you. They need to say, you're an asshole. Why did you do that? They need to get it out. And if you're a yes to them getting it out, that is a huge, huge piece of repair.